私の名はゴア、地球の征服者だ。
マグマ大使
10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1、シャッ。行け、スペクターの諸君。宇宙の帝王ゴア様の力を地球人に十分見せてやりたまえ。いいか、我々の目標はあれだ。
恐れ入りますが、通行証を。
所長の山科博士と国連のスニード博士、それに助手の梅田です。
I see. However, you must understand there's a big conference going on. I'm sorry, sir. We must have a security check this minute. We have an electronic test here that you will have to undergo to determine if you're lugo-men.
Okay. What? Just a minute. Is this how you treat an official of the United Nations?
The soldier's right. The conference that is underway now is very important, and all security checks should be undertaken at once. We cannot afford to have Rodak gaining any of the information. What would happen if a lugo-man got in here? I think we should cooperate so that Rodak will never learn anything about it. All right, guard.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
This device detects lugo-men. How does it work?
It functions electronically and analyzes our composition. We already have the knowledge that lugo-men are made of vegetation matter. By penetrating this ray into their bodies, we will analyze what they are composed of. If by chance we ever discover one of Rodak's forces, the indicator will show us that.
I see. The instrument okayed them. Good. Here you are. Thank you. That's quite all right. You can drive on.
All right, let's go. Get down.
You gentlemen were asked here so the following announcement could be made under strict security. Leading scientists of the world have decided to combine their knowledge in an effort to defeat the lugo-men. This has resulted in a secret weapon that Dr. Sawyer just transported to this area yesterday under heavy guard. I will now introduce Dr. Sawyer, and he will enlighten you on how it works as well as answer any questions. There is only a very short while until we will launch the weapon.
Uh-oh, that way.
And so, that's the story. A result of genius. A new use for organic germs. We will gather these germs at this site, and they will be dropped from one of our aircraft early in the morning. They will start to eat away instantly at the vegetable matter the lugo-men are composed of. Within an estimated period of 3 days, all lugo-men on Earth should be destroyed. Gentlemen, since this has shown no effect on humans, we are ready to begin. Let's begin the attack.
Ready. Here's the target. Ready?
Yes.
This way. Okay, it's clear. Let's go. All clear. Let's get into the building. We can't get in. The wall's been treated with a special alloy to repel us. Now what? Hide. Stop that. The noise will give us away. Let's melt.
At last, we will have defeated Rodak's lugo-men. And without the lugo-men to assist in his evil deeds, Rodak's power will diminish. And so, we shall beat Rodak. He will believe at long last that our intellect is not as low as he had originally anticipated. Destroy the bacteria. Destroy the scientists. Switch it off. Send the monster Naranda to Earth.
That is Naranda, the strongest of all Rodak's monsters.
Another monster was seen about an hour ago.
Another one? Don't you think it's a good idea to wait until that story is confirmed? It's still unofficial that a creature was seen. Everyone these days tells us that he sees a monster. I say we should wait.
I don't know. Keita went to cover the story. Why not you, eh? What do you think? Isn't it wise to check up if it was a monster? Those scientists suffered burns at that conference. It's the same area.
Where's Dr. Yama right now? He wasn't located.
What's the matter with you? There's lots of questions, we have no answers, and there's little time. How did Rodak know that conference was going on? And who was it that destroyed that area? I want some answers. Everything is breaking loose around us, and we're sitting here like idiots.
I know what you mean.
You've been assigned to get the story of Rodak's monsters all along. So don't just stand there. And don't return here unless you get me the story.
A way to stop them.
They're still holding Miko's mother. And there hasn't been a trace of where she is so I could locate her.
And I can't find her either. I have no power over these lugo-men because they are made of vegetation matter. That substance is grown by sun and water, and I have no control over it. I have the power to control the weather, the creatures Rodak sends, even the stars in the sky. However, I have no control over vegetation matter. Unfortunately, there is no one I can turn to for advice on that. Unless I can think of a solution, the Earth will eventually fall. The situation is now out of hand, and I feel useless.
But, sir, you'll eventually think of something, won't you?
This is one of those situations where I doubt I can create the solution.
Is the Earth doomed?
I trust not, for I have a lot of faith in the Earthlings. I think the Earthlings will use their intelligence in the final analysis to defeat these intruders. Even though they've lost thus far, the intellect of the human being will be victorious in the long run, Goldar. However, they will have to survive a lot of defeats until they eventually win over Rodak.
Masozum, I'll bet Miko learns how to destroy those lugo-men.
I'll get the lugo-men. You took Mama, Rodak, and I'm not going to be satisfied until you've been destroyed.
There's a signal.
Gam transforms into a rocket and leaves his base in the fiery heart of Mount Olympian.
How is everything? Has Rodak started any trouble yet?
Yes, he has. A lot of scientists were caught in a fire, and Rodak sent another monster.
Not another creature. Rodak's attacks are never going to cease.
Papa's covering the story. Gam, let's both go to that area now.
You have a lot of courage. You know that?
I do?
I was told that mankind will definitely beat the evil Rodak in the long run. And you know what I had to say, that as long as there are people like you, I agree.
You did well in taking the scientist's weapon, but do not forget that they can create another. It is your job to make certain that this does not happen.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Mora, I'm Katu, attached to the downtown office.
Oh, I thought I was going to see Kita here.
Oh, I believe he remained at the office all morning.
All morning?
Yes. I'll take you to see Dr. Yama at the hospital. He's waiting for you. All right, let's go.
Gam, slow down. We're going to be approaching the monster pretty soon.
Okay, I'll keep a lookout.
Good.
Miko! There it is!
It has a ray that paralyzes.
We'll have to be careful.
Look, Gam. The monster can eat aircraft.
I'll destroy the monster.
Your weapons didn't do a thing.
I know.
Gam, get out of here before it shoots the ray. What can we do about it? Half of our city will be eaten by that new monster. I know what. I'm calling Goldar.
Wait a minute. Let me get the monster. Don't call Goldar.
You know your warheads aren't strong enough.
I have an idea. Bet you don't know Methuselah gave me another weapon of attack. But I'm not allowed to use it unless it's an emergency, and that's just what this is.
Well, if you feel it's worth a try.
I think it is. Didn't you just say that half the city is in danger? Why, that huge monster can destroy the whole city. And if we don't quickly try to put an end to it now, there's no telling how much damage will be done. Don't you agree, Miko? Then let me attack it. That monster is far too dangerous, and I'm going to use that secret weapon against it. Listen, Miko, I think it's better if you stay here.
You're out of breath.
You see, a monster like that is no challenge, just as I told you.
Oh, Gam, are you all right? Try to stand.
This way, sir.
Thank you.
Your credentials, sir.
With the press.
I'm sorry, gentlemen. The regulations are that only one of you may go in. I'll have to hold that, sir.
Go ahead.
I didn't think I'd get exhausted, but I got the monster, didn't I?
Yes.
What's the matter?
Look.
何よりです。それにしても
That was our only chance to defeat Rodak and his lugo-men.
No, it wasn't.
What do you mean?
It was planned. We figured things would go wrong, and as a result, we anticipated it.
Huh?
Our invention to defeat Rodak. What his agents had stolen was a fake. The real invention is arriving here tomorrow.
What?
Dr. Kura has it. The launching will occur secretly. And when all that bacteria spreads through the air, that will be the end of the lugo-men.
Why, that's great.
Rodak is under the illusion that we can't use counteractions. He actually has the idea that we here on Earth are stupid. And nothing of this until after the launching.
All right.
When it's all over, we'll have peace on Earth. Isn't it wonderful?
Rodak's agents were listening. Exactly when is Dr. Kura scheduled to get here?
At daylight, around 8 in the morning.
Dr. Kura's in danger. Lugo-men. There's our target. Look. A little generosity, sir.
Get out of here.
Hurry. We mustn't arrive late at the airport. If we're late, the doctor's life's in danger.
I think my father should get a signal. Go ahead.
I wanted to do that before, and you said no.
The signal. Miko is calling me. I must hurry to him, Silva. From the fiery heart of Mount Olympian comes Goldar, the Space Avenger.
地球を狙う宇宙の帝王ゴアは次々と人間もどきを放ち、さらに怪獣ストップゴンを地球に送った。それに対し完全と立ち上がった人類。しかし怪獣の猛威に関西地方は危機に瀕している。
逃げろ！あ、孫だし。
The creature has a very dangerous ray. It can destroy anything.
All right. Keep your distance. I am Goldar, the Space Avenger. It is my duty to protect the Earth. Now I am going to destroy you.
monster isn't dead. It divides itself into little pieces like that, Goldar.
I understand. I'm waiting, Rhonda. I wonder what this monster is composed of. It is able to break into pieces and also has a paralyzing ray. I must check with Methuselah. Does your father know about this monster?
Papa hasn't heard. He's meeting Dr. Quora today. I'm going there.
All right. I'm returning to Mount Olympian. I want you to be very careful. Call me the moment you see the monster again. Dr. Quora?
Yes? We will take you to the location site. Will you come with us, please?
Of course, this way.
Oh, there's Dr. Quora's car. It's a good thing we're not late. Start trailing them. This isn't the right road. That's odd. I wonder where they're going.
Doctor, will you tell us where the weapon is?
Huh? There's a car following us.
Better hurry up. Let's lose him.
We have no information on Mura or the doctor. Yes, that's right. They should have reached that area already.
Let's wait a little longer. Let us know when they arrive.
Yes, the minute I receive any word. Mura could have run into danger.
Sir, Mura's son is outside. I'm not sure exactly what to tell him.
Ah, what's that? Miko, it's Mura's son?
Yes, sir.
Most interesting. Mura could have sent his son here. Takaki, what do you think?
I don't believe so, sir.
If Miko was sent with a message...
Hello, everyone.
Oh.
Hi, Kita.
How are you, Miko?
Is Papa in the area?
Well, Miko, does your father know that you're here?
No, I came to surprise him. Where is he?
Well, we've heard no word from your father. We've been very busy ever since the arrival of that monster.
We won the first battle with the monster.
You two have seen it? I don't think it's very nice of you two to kid around with us like this.
Huh? It's true what he said.
Just a minute, sir. Those two boys are really extraordinary. Why, I recall...
We have just received word that Mura was injured on the road.
Papa! You've not to get excited now. There we are.
Thank you.
Papa!
What happened?
Lugo-men got Dr.
Lugo-men?
What do you want us to do?
Maybe you can try to get those Lugo-men. You have to rescue the doctor or all is lost. Do you understand that? He has the weapon that will defeat the Lugo-men.
All right.
大金がない。バカだ。ない。それ。ここはどこだ？質問にだけ答えろ。いいか。最近はどこにある？さあ答えろ。おい、なぜ言わない？
I think you'd better cooperate. Stand the doctor against the wall.
I won't tell you where it is.
Where is it? All right. Are you going to tell us? Continue working on the doctor. Doctor, where is the bacteria?
You've had plenty of time to find their weapon.
Sorry, sir. It has to be somewhere among the doctor's possessions.
First, I send you on a very important mission to get that secret weapon. And you blow up the wrong one. Then I tell you who will be carrying the real weapon, and now you can't even find it. When I give an order, I expect it to be obeyed. I want you to know that this is your last chance.
Yes, sir. I promise to obey this time. Thank you for this one last chance.
Don't forget it. If that weapon isn't found, my lugo-men are going to be destroyed. Aside from my monsters, my lugo-men are the most important weapon I use against the Earthlings. I want to possess the planet Earth, and nothing is going to stop me. Do you understand? Nothing. Now find that weapon.
Yes, sir.
Wonder where they took him.
I haven't the slightest idea. I want you to try to find the doctor.
Yes, we will do that.
Miko and I will find him, Mr. Mura. You just get better.
Yes.
Mura, I will look for the doctor without wasting another minute. Now, we will all have to keep some sort of contact. I'll supply all of you with radios. When anyone has any information, he will relay it. Now, what do you think?
I think that's a good idea. Otherwise, these two will do everything by themselves. And I guarantee in a very short time.
You're right.
The monster has the ability to break itself into small pieces. While it is in this state, it is able to fly, and I am unable to hit it with my weapons. We must stop it from breaking up.
Goldar, I want you to watch this very carefully.
Why did you do that?
Now watch. You see?
Explain it, sir.
I'll try to, Goldar. Everything that moves can be broken down into its component parts, and in this case I hold Silvar's heart. This is what I want you to do when the monster breaks into little pieces. Look for its heart, since every creature has one. Once you hold its heart in your hands, the creature will become as Silvar is now, powerless. When that happens, you'll be able to destroy the monster. This is the only solution I can think of. Do you understand, Goldar?
Yes, sir.
So although the creature has a good weapon, there's another side to it. And the other side is that when the creature is in this condition, it takes for granted that you won't know where its heart is. So the next time the monster breaks itself into little pieces, try to find its heart.
Thank you, sir. I will do that.
However, in each creature, the heart is located in a different area, and so it is with that creature. I wish I knew where that creature's heart is. Unfortunately, I don't.
早く人間もどきのやつ、ふわっと通信始めないから、奴らの電波は特殊だろ？だから僕、どんなに電波が弱くても、どこにいるのかすぐ感じてわかるのにな。
大丈夫。今に必ずどっかで始めるよ。僕、パパと連絡を取るよ。
Oh, what's wrong? I can feel the radio waves, and they're tickling me.
Come on, Gam, cut it out.
I'm better now.
This is Miko, Papa. Are you receiving this or not?
I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Good. We've been checking the area over Highway 30. No sign of the doctor.
Keep looking. Let me know if you find anything.
Roger. Over and out.
This is Mura calling Kita. This is Mura calling Kita. Go ahead, Kita. Go ahead, Kita. Over. Kita, please come in. Kita, please come in. Kita. Kita. Are you there?
Get dressed.
Everything looks all right. I think I'll call Papa again and give him another report.
Okay, make it fast, will you?
This is Miko, Papa. Maybe I should have waited longer to call, huh? This is Miko calling Papa. Go ahead. Why don't you answer? Gam, Papa doesn't answer. Do you think his radio's still on?
I know.